Hi guys, in this video we will be checking out another option in which we can create a pipeline. It will be a continuation of the last video where we have implemented a pipeline kind of Jenkins jobs. So let's start with that. So let's hit a new one. It's Jenkins. I will take the name as 2. I will select pipeline and click OK. I will use the same configuration to discard old builds. Maximum number of builds that I wanted to keep is 3, the latest 3 ones. And over here, for in our last video, we have seen how we created a script with the help of pipeline script. Now, instead of pipeline script, what we can do is we can select pipeline script from SCM. Over here, SCM, we can select as Git. Right now, what we are trying to do over here is that we will try to import the script, the pipeline script from the repository itself. So for that, what I have done in this demo project, I have created a separate file with the name of Jenkinsfile. So if I open this, it will be the same steps that we have implemented in the last video for creating the pipeline. So let's get back to our pipeline creation. We have selected Git, so it will pick the pipeline file from Git itself. We have to specify the repository name, which we can get from here. Select copy repository and paste it over here. As we know, repository is public, no need to specify the credentials. All this code is present on the master branch, no need to change this. And nothing has to be changed. So script path is Jenkins file. Just make sure this name is same as the name of the file, which is same Jenkins file, and we can hit apply. So let's try to build this pipeline now. So if you can see in build history, build number 1 started working. Over here you can see that git checkout step is completed. Over here we didn't specify specifically what all stages needs to be performed over here. So what it's doing, this pipeline is taking all the stages from the Jenkins file pipeline, Jenkins file that we specified in the repository. So if you guys remember in our last video, the pipeline started with the stage git checkout, but in this pipeline it started with declarative checkout SCM, because this is the extra step that we have added in the pipeline. Because of this step, it's fetching the pipeline script that is mentioned in Jenkins file, and it's reading that file and grabbing all the stages and running that one by one. So you can see it's all success as the pipeline is similar to the last one. So in this video, I just wanted to show the another option for creating the pipeline by selecting it from SCM. Thanks guys.